Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be doing a guided meditation with TEKTITE, the stone of universal information. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll put a link in the description box below or in the eye above. Now, I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to its supportive benefits, and deciding if it's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. And today, we are going to work with TEKTITE. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of TEKTITE, then I'll link that in the eye above if you would like to get some more in-depth detail about the supportive benefits of TEKTITE. If you do have a piece of TEKTITE, this is a good time to go get that and put it by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of this stone to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture it in your mind, a dark black or gray stone. And if any of the questions that I bring up during this guided meditation, they call to you, they feel really familiar or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some TEKTITE and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, as long as you can remain alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we work through this guided meditation. So if you have your TEKTITE, or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And draw your awareness within and see how it feels to breathe. And bring that awareness to the rest of your physical body and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. Bringing your focus to your heart center. And acknowledging if there are any emotions sitting with you today. And then drifting your awareness up to the state of your mind. How is it right now? Calm, busy, distracted? And we're not trying to fix anything. There is no right way to be. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your attention to those parts on your body that touch the cushion or chair or the floor beneath you, and notice this strong connection with the earth. You are sitting on top of the entire earth, completely supported by its whole mass, and you have access to all of the energy of the earth, and it will guide and support you during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of tektite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the tektite today. If you don't have a piece of tektite, then imagine a black stone with a pockmarked exterior. If you are holding the stone, then run your fingers over the surface. Notice where it's smooth or where it's rough. Notice its weight in your hand. And take a minute to get to know your piece of tektite. Notice if anything has changed in your body, heart, mind since you picked up the stone. And imagine you are sitting underneath a dark, starry night sky. The stars shine down their brilliant and wise energy upon you. And sit with this image of tektite energy for a minute. Tektite is the stone of universal information. And as you hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you currently a student, whether it's in a professional topic, academic environment, or a spiritual environment? Are you trying to learn a brand new skill? Are you having dreams you would like to interpret? Would you like guidance on how to reach your personal destiny? Are you trying to incorporate spiritual learning into your everyday life? Tektite is supportive during all of these life situations. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, to your mind, your body, and sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the tektite. Has anything changed about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding or imagining the stone? And notice if anything has changed in your heart, your body, or your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the tektite energy and release the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in meditation with tektite, the stone of universal information. And if you found this useful, then I do highly recommend purchasing a piece of tektite and sitting in this guided meditation for about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of tektite when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, to initiate transformation and change in your life by knowing which situations in life you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're brand new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. We've already gone past 100 different gemstone videos on this channel. So if you're interested in learning how all of those different gemstones can support you in real life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.